Okay, let's go with the drawing. I already opened it, and if you haven't, so you can open from here, insert and drawing and new. You can create it from here. So in here you have tons of options to go with. Okay, but let me just go simply with one thing, and smiley face. How you can draw and bring a smiley face. Let's click on smiley face in here, shapes and smiley. Now, one thing, it's very important. Okay, hold the shift key. Once you hold it, just draw it. If you do that, it'll draw nicer for you. You can see that right over here, that it's more nicer. If you don't hold the shift key, so it's a little bit of the not good style. You can see right now. Okay, even I try to be nicer, but it doesn't do good. So the only trick is hold the shift key. And if you hold the shift key, it's better to create and it's very easier. As you can notice that this part is only for changing and making it bigger, and this one is for rotating it. Okay, but this one is making it sad and and smiley. Okay, that's the only thing. So you want to just have it, or I'm gonna hold the shift key again. I'm gonna make it into 3D format. I'm gonna just put it into something like this one and draw it in here and put it in there. So you can see right now it doesn't fit nice. How should I do that? I'm gonna click on it, and there are tons of things, like you can change the shape, you can edit the text in it, you can center on the page, you can rotate it, you can order it. Now for now we want to order, so send, bring forward. Right now it seems that this smiley emoji is on the shape on the cup. Okay, so that's the thing we learned right now. And we have tons of things like these shapes as well, like these ones, for example, these things. Okay, and the good thing is they have these things to change themselves. They can see right now, and I made them very, very nicer. And I can right now change it to any size. I can rotate it. All right. Yeah. So it means your mode affects your whole body. Okay. So that was the thing we created. We have tons of other things like envelope. Okay. Yeah, it's very easy. Shape. You have of course, other things like here. Arrows, callouts. Of course, equation. So that was for the shapes and drawings. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have fun with it.